There's me, there's us. There's them. We live in Dorset. So that's me, that's her, that's them. And together we are the Bear Fam. I'm getting blown to smithereens, Bear Fam. You probably won't be able to hear me for very long. I'm out at Ringstead Bay trying to find a little church that I've seen advertised on a sign. So I'm in the middle of nowhere, wishing I hadn't come quite so far down the hill, knowing full well I've got to climb back up the hill, cliff, whatever. If I find the church, I'll let you know. This was a mistake. I got to a junction and it said church straight down around the corner, except I wasn't sure which way, but clearly it's not the way I've just been down that bloody hill. I'll see this sign again. Oh, I'm not going down that. The other direction is down there. Hang on, let me check this sign again. Right, these are the options, people. Down that way or down this way. The sign is here. I thought that meant down there. Down there. Down there. So clearly it means down here. But I've already got all that to get back up to the top of there. I got no raincoat with me, and if I'm going to that has got to be down there. And sadly, I really want to see this little church, but I am got to be realistic with myself. I'm really sad because I really want to see this church, but the weather is about to change, and I'm going to struggle to get back as it is. I know I am. And to know it's just down there is really annoying. But that is quite a hill. Not what you expect to find in the middle of nowhere, is it? Yeah, there's one house there. But why have they got their own post box? I mean, there's nothing here apart from that. It's weird. I gave up. I had to give up because I'm knackered and I've still got a bloody great hill to go up to get back to the car park. You see where those people are going up there? Can you just see? Hang on, I'll turn it. The whole National Trust signs are funny, aren't they now? 1960s. Anyway, oh, there's one other house, or I think they're holiday lets, to be honest, in this day and age, down there. What's it called? It's called Merrin. Seafields. Wind's show you what it's doing. You won't be able to hear me. And I'll probably have to put music over it because you definitely won't hear me. But those people that I showed you walking up the hill have walked all the way to Durdle Door and back. They've been walking since 11 o'clock this morning. And they're all the way down in Osbington on the main road in holiday cottages. Rather than me diving over the bay. That's poor. Now to climb the hill and get back up into the wind. Set my air. My air does not go that way. Well, it clearly does now, but it doesn't normally. Oh, shout out to the lady that I met yesterday with Murphy, with a broken arm, who said to me, "Aren't you that bear woman?" Yeah, that's me. Hope you're okay. Get well soon. See you on the hill soon. Murphy, be a good boy for his mummy. Well, I'm not quite at the top of the hill yet. And you can see I might just make it a state of my hair. This is not the hairstyle I left with. And he's going to laugh her bits off. And the van, he's over there. Got to open the gate. Oh. Oh then, boys. See, come on, Jack. St Catherine's by the sea. Well, I didn't find you. There's a view, but the way the van is rocking with the wind, I'm kind of expecting it to get blown back to Weymouth any second, like Mary Poppins. I'm sitting here because I'm knackered. What? Am I not allowed? I was gonna, and then I thought I couldn't be bothered to switch it round. And then I remembered I sat here with Nikki and it was really comfortable. I was just telling the Bear fam that I'm expecting the van to get picked up and blown back to Weymouth of its own accord any second. Because it's rocking like a blinking rocky thing. You making me a cup of tea? That's so kind of you. I don't know if you can see the fact that everything is moving from side to side there, fam. Probably not. Oh, hi Moo.
Got my drink.
Hey Moo. Did you finish yours? Have you come to steal? No, you're not having Chunky's. Chunky's enjoying his. You sit down if you're going to come here. Ellie's making us a cup of tea. Please, could you make me a cup of tea? Thank you. I had to give up on the church. Well, because we walked straight through the gate, it goes steeply down. So straight away I'm thinking that was about, I don't know, 300 yards. Get to a corner and you look, and it goes down again. And it looks all mown, and there's like these proper like shaped tiles as opposed to concrete. I'm thinking, oh, that's got to be probably for a church. That's about right for a church. So I go down, it comes to another junction. And then there's this sign that says church straight up and to the left, like a handwritten one. Anyway, there's a left and a right which look identical. This sign makes no sense of whether it means, so I choose the left one, which looks like the most cultivated, and I'm thinking, well, that makes the most sense. So I get to the bottom of another bloody great hill and come to a private house and think to myself, oh dear, I've come down the wrong one. So I go back up to the top, turn to go back down the other one, which is then like one of these sort of hills, and I'm thinking, I'm barely thinking I've got the energy to get back from where I am, let alone, and I was so sad because it probably wouldn't have been far, but it was the incline on top of, so I've had to leave it, and I'm really peed. There we go. Oh, I don't know if you probably weren't, you were probably on the loo, but I saw, met a couple down there. They'd walked today, they're in holiday cottages down in Osmington. So they've walked to Durdle Door and back. They're on the way back from Durdle Door. The arch. Oh, I knew it was going to rain. I was so pleased that I didn't go down to the church. It's just started raining. Durdle Door. I'll have a look in a minute, but a long way. The woman looked, she said we've been going since 11 this morning. And he's like, yeah, hurry up, come on, let's get back to the farm shop. I'm fancying a pasty. And she's like, you could see she was like, can't we go into Weymouth for fish and chips? And he went, no, I really fancy a pasty. And you could see her like, it arrived. I was darned lucky not to get soaking wet. I'm still in summer red, you know, go for a walk without a coat mode. It's also really quite humid today, bizarrely. I'm glad I didn't go down to the church, because by the time I did that and turned around, I would have got wet. I've literally been back in the van probably 10 minutes. I'm surprised that it took 10 minutes to rain, because it looked like it was going to come sooner, to be fair. But anyway, Bear Fam, it was just a little hello, how are you? Yeah, and I'll catch up with you soon. Sending you all love, and thank you for tuning in. And hi Murphy.